I'd like to take a moment also just to share with you today some updates, some important updates to our community's COVID-19 health and safety protocols. Some of you may have seen the messaging coming out from our community a few days ago that contained a summary of these updates. Our county, Washtenaw County, this is such a positive development. I'm sure some of you have followed this. It's just in the past week or so, we have now fallen to less than a 3% positivity test rate for COVID-19 in our county. This is the first time we've been under 3% in it's been a long time. So it's a very positive development for our community. In light of that, our congregation's COVID-19 advisory team has made some recommendations which we will be implementing effective April 1st. I'll first start off with what we're maintaining. We will be maintaining our community's covenantal expectation that all eligible congregants are fully vaccinated, including fully boosted, if you're participating in in-person activities in our congregation. We will be maintaining universal masking throughout our indoor spaces, with some exceptions that I'll speak to in a moment. We will be maintaining mandatory COVID-19 antigen testing for anybody appearing in the service who will appear without a face covering, without a mask. We will also maintain our commitment to multimodal access to our Sunday services and other important community gatherings, which empowers our members and friends to choose the engagement level and forms of engagement that best suit your personal health and safety needs. Alongside the maintenance of those things, we will be making optional masking outdoors. So in our outdoor space, you will have, as of April 1, the opportunity to be maskless or masked, depending on what you choose to do, what you need. We will be bringing back, as of 2 Sundays from now, so the first Sunday of April, communal hymn singing. It's a big deal. We haven't sung hymns together in more than 2 years. It's a big deal. Now, with masks on for the time being, but that's still nonetheless a very positive development and welcome by all of us. We will resume the offering of refreshments in our social hall and snacks for the children in the SGD classes. So in those 2 designated spaces only, in the social hall and in the classrooms for the kids when the teachers offer snacks, we can temporarily remove our masks for the consumption of beverages or food. Universal masking throughout the building in all other spaces, please, that we are keeping that. Those are some of the bigger developments. As you can imagine, our COVID advisory team, continues to follow all the local health metrics and national and other developments very closely. So if something of concern develops, we will move nimbly towards the reinstatement of some of the safety measures we are moving towards relaxing. But for the time being, things do look like our local region and our country are definitely in a better footing. As our local health metrics have improved, we have been receiving more requests for in-person meeting space and opportunities for in-person events and activities. Such is possible. And we invite our community to just hold side by side with that our professional paid staffing is the thinnest it has ever been, the thinnest it's been in a long time. So out of necessity, we are moving towards a way of doing that in which we will be inviting all recognized UUAA groups or groups that are organizing activities, committee meetings, events, to be responsible for all aspects of their in-person meeting, event, activity, whatever it may be happening, which will include things like building open close, room setup, room cleanliness, both before the event or activity and afterwards, and being implementers of whatever our community's current COVID-19 health and safety precautions are. We are planning on developing guidance that will support lay leaders in undertaking and leading in-person activities with those responsibilities, and hope to have that guidance available in the weeks ahead.